Hey, what's up, everybody? Nelson Chuck here from Chuck's Adventures back on your screen. And today, I have ear protection in my ears because you guys probably saw. I've got some fire alarms. Got a Firelight BG12 pull station. Let me open it up. See? Firelight BG12. Model BG12. And then I also got a Wheelock MT horn strobe. I think this looks really nice. So, let's go ahead and push in, pull down. Whoa. Whoa, that was weird. Every time the strobe flashes, the lights go off. And then when the strobe doesn't flash, the lights come on. Okay, that's weird, but okay. Must be using too much voltage. Oh. Alright, so this is how we change the tone. Okay, we'll try that. Lights are off. March time as well. What? There it goes. Okay. So every time the strobe or horn sounds, the strobe flashes, the horn sounds, the lights turn off. But when they deactivate, the lights come on. Okay. Traditional code 3. Oh, that was a little delay, but okay. I was going to reset it. Let's go to try a different coding. We'll try it like that. Oh, it's also code 3, and the lights went off again. I wonder if you guys can see outside. Sort of. And the lights came on again. Okay. There it goes. Stupid pole. Being stubborn. Okay. I don't know if this is voice evacuation or just a siren. I'm gonna let it keep going in case it's a voice evacuation. I don't think it is though. I think it's just a siren. Okay, it's just a siren. And the lights came on again. That's nice. Okay. Oh my gosh. Lights are on. Alright. Might have done all of them. Okay, we'll try it like that. Oh, it's continuous. There it goes. Okay, we'll just... And the lights are on again. There it goes. I swear, this pull. It's hard to close. Okay. Well, that's cool. And the lights are on again. Okay. And then, alright, we'll try like that. That's a weird tone. I kind of like it. Kind of like it. That's cool. I like that one. That's a cool one. Sounds like a phone. Okay. We got March time. It's cool music to jam to. I like jamming to it. It's like a vertical strobe, MT, because there's two different models. Okay, we'll try it like that. Okay. And the lights are on again. So, all right. Continuous. Slam that shut so it stays shut. Alright, all of them up. Which is also continuous. And the lights keep shutting off. Oh, that's so loud. I think it's raining outside. I don't know if you guys can see. But if you guys listen, it sounds like it's raining. It's raining. Yay! Alright, we'll do one more. I think that'll end it. Oh! Sounds like an English police car. I think it's an English police car. Well then guys, so that's going to be all for this system. Got a BG12. Oh, there we go. So, Firelight BG12, wheel lock MT. Like I said at the beginning of this video, like I said at the beginning, this video isn't sponsored by Firelight or Wheel Lock. I just got these for Christmas. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy, then be sure to go down and like the video, and then also click the middle of the screen to subscribe to the channel. On the left side of the screen will be a video that YouTube recommends to you, and on the right side of the screen will be my last video. Good luck on your adventures, and travel safe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!